Welcome back to another YouTube video. I told you I was gonna be consistent. I feel like ever since I got this camera, I just want to put it up and film everything as I motherfucking should. I love this camera so much. Okay, it looks ghetto in the background. Windows open because my crib barely gets sunlight. And I got a plant on. Let me show you my plant. Yes, we're making food today. I just want to talk to y'all first. I got my baby girl the other day. So like, I had this plant like a year ago, literally around the same time. But she died because I wasn't taking care of her and I didn't know how to. So this is her. Look how beauty. Focus on her. Yes, she is so stunning. And the guy in the plant shop, he told me, he was like, don't have this like near the window and shit, like exactly on the window, and that's the only place I get most of the sunlight in my crib. So that's probably what made her die last time. So I have her in the kitchen now because this is the most sunlight she can get. Like, I tried in the living room, but I don't think she liked it. Yeah, she's a she. I don't think she liked it in the living room because her leaves kept falling off. So I'm gonna see if she likes it in the kitchen better. Maybe she just wants to be around me. That being said, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is the same sweater I did have in my Q&A. Before y'all come at me, no, it's not filmed the same day. It's filmed the day after. But it's fall in Buffalo at this point, and I'm feeling it. I'm rocking with it. Like, I love the fall. I'm a fall baby. So I'm super excited because it's super cold. I'm happy as fuck. But okay, point being is what we're gonna make today, what y'all came to see. We're making the beef bacon from Trader Joe's. I did have this already. I'm not gonna lie, if y'all want to see my first reaction, TikTok, Instagram, all of that down below. I tried it already, but I'm gonna have it again because I need to go food shop. I feel like I always gotta go food shopping, bro. Like, shit is really crazy. But I need to go food shopping, and there's a couple shit I need, like I don't have in my crib. It's lunch. It's like, this is really my breakfast, but it's really, I'm about to show you the time. It's really 2:19, and I'm hungry, and I haven't eaten anything. The only thing I have my detox water. So we're about to make it. I know I'm taking so long. Let's make it. I really want to make ramen noodles, but I kind of don't. I kind of want to stick to tacos. I really don't know what I'm going to do. I think I might just do both. So this is how the packet looks like. If y'all didn't know, this is how it's looking like. I should switch the angle, but y'all, my setup right now, ghetto. But it's a come up. It's a come up. Y'all want to see? I look-y want to show y'all. This right here is my setup, and if you're making fun of me for it, shame on you. So this is a setup, y'all. This is the setup. We have 5 boxes. I'm gonna get my tripod soon, but this is the setup for now. Okay. Anyways, so that's another reason why I haven't, like, I'm not putting it down. I am gonna try it with my other tripod I have. It's not really a tripod, it's like a lighting shit, but I don't know, y'all. I am trying. That's what I'm doing. I am trying. Your girl was grinding. Hey. I have so much energy. I'm super excited. Okay, let's get the fucking food. Should we talk about something? I think we have to talk about something. How it looks like without the protectors. I'm gonna talk to y'all while I do this, but I'm gonna have all the steps down below. I just want to talk. Clearly, I barely have friends. Clearly. My life act like this, so y'all about to see. This is my pot. I got a tiny ass pot because it's only me right here, right now. So, yeah. So, I wanted to talk to y'all. So, as y'all may know, y'all probably found my page because of my social media platforms. And this is what you probably hate about it. Like this makes me not want to eat it. We're gonna eat it. But y'all most likely found me because of my social media platforms. I feel like it's alright, so I'm going right now. I had my first viral Instagram video recently, right? I was happy as fuck. But I was low-key, I wasn't take because I'm very grateful. But it's just like, it's 8 seconds video. Like, everything now is just like 8-second videos. Everything is so fast-paced and it scares me. What goes viral is like 8-second videos and shit like that. And that be making me so sad because realistically, like, bro, like, I want to drop recipes. Like, I want to have all of that. Like, all of that. And I think I still am, but I don't think it's going to be my main focus on social media. I feel like my main focus on social media is going to be like 8-second clips. And maybe, I don't know, I feel like, comment down below what y'all think I should do. Should I keep the recipes like on social media? Like, y'all going to watch my 1-minute videos? Like, do y'all want a voiceover instead to feel like, I don't know, like, okay, I want to tell y'all all my thoughts and y'all let me know what the fuck y'all want me to do as I season this, because it tastes good, but I do feel like it needs more seasonings. Like, I like seasoning, I like spicy food, and we're about to do it, so I need fodder. I'm gonna have it down below because I want to talk my shit. So like, everything is just like so fast paced or whatever. It's like, I understand like why 8 seconds, 10 seconds will be going viral, but I also want to drop my minute videos, like my recipes and shit like that. Like, I want to have that on my social media because, like, let's be very honest, like, not everybody has the time to watch a 10-minute video, or well, they don't choose to. If you're watching this, my homie. So I don't know what I should do, or should I do like, instead of music in the background for like my recipes or whatever, should I do a voiceover like how I would do on YouTube? Or should I just say like after long videos on Instagram? Ooh, I got a fire going on. Almost call it the fire department. Oh, it's because of the ice. Oh, so I had to break it. There we go. On this, I wanted to see, what do you guys want me to do? Do y'all want me to keep the 1-minute videos on Instagram as well as the other 2? I know I upload at least 3 times a day on Instagram, and at least like 4 to 5 times on TikTok. Yeah, we consistent. Pinterest 4 to 6 times. And on Facebook, as of right now, I'm uploading like 8 videos a day because I'm trying to get like all my reels that I had before and you upload it on Facebook. And on YouTube, I'm re-uploading a lot of my reels that I didn't have on my YouTube yet. So like on YouTube right now, y'all looking at around like 6 to 7 videos every day. That sounds like a lot, but you know, we grinding right now. And what? Yeah. We grinding. What is you talking about? But yeah, what do y'all want from me? Basically, what do y'all want from me? Do y'all want me to get a card? Rude. Like, what do y'all want from me? Do y'all want me to do short clips on social media platforms and YouTube be my longer clips with recipes as well? Or are y'all fucking with the 1-minute videos? Because some of my social media platforms fuck with the 1-minute videos. Like Pinterest fuck with them and Facebook as well. But my Instagram and TikTok, y'all not really rocking with the 1-minute videos. So should I keep it like that? Should I just be exclusive to y'all? Or just have it there and see what y'all like? Let me know down below. And let me know what videos y'all want me to do. Like, yeah, do y'all want me? I like talking a lot. Yeah. I like talking a lot. So let me know if y'all want me to like have girl talk / guy talk. Because I got the tea for both of y'all. Just like, should I do my trying Trader Joe's items on YouTube strictly? Like, I don't know what y'all want. Like, I know what I want to do, but yeah, what y'all want to see? Like, I can talk a lot, I can give a lot of advice. Like, I want to do maybe ideally like my trying different stuff or whatever. I want to make it too, as in like you can ask me things as I'm trying it, like shit like that. Or like make a giant U-haul of a whole bunch of different items I could try, and it being that, like, what do y'all want to see? I want to do this channel mainly food, but since you're watching for this long, I'm gonna let y'all know I do have kind of a talk / podcast coming up. It drops in November, literally a week after my birthday, which is November 9th. Wish me a happy birthday. But after November 9th, I believe it's the weekend. Yeah, the weekend, my friends are gonna come and I got something planned. Yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait for y'all to meet my friends, and we're gonna talk, we're gonna eat some food. I'm gonna ask y'all questions on my social media, so make sure you follow all my social media accounts so y'all can join in on the talk. And yes, I have so many things planned for y'all. Like, y'all don't even know. Like, y'all don't know how long I was waiting for this camera. Like, y'all don't even know how bad I wanted the camera, and I knew once I get the camera, I'll be on shit. But yeah, with that being said, comment down below what y'all want. I'm not I don't want to be one of those, like, I don't even consider myself as a YouTuber, more of a content creator, but I don't want to be one of those people that be like, like, don't talk to, like, she's just doing whatever. Like, I want to talk to you, I want to interact, because when I be watching YouTube, I be interacting with them. Like, I be in it like, damn, like, you know, talk to me type shit. So I want to be what I watch. So yeah, we're gonna let this cook. Back to the story, back to the point of this motherfucking video. My videos are gonna be long. I think I need to come to terms with my long videos. Fuck it, literally fuck it. Look at what I made. I'm kidding. I'm gonna flip the camera. I got a camera now. I can flip it. It's looking like it did not come with this pepper. And I'm gonna mix it up now because it's kind of melted. It does take a little minute. I put on like 5 or whatever, and just like mix it around. Oh, why my finger look like that? I'm just trying to do both at the same time. Yeah, you see how frozen that bitch is? And I'm gonna let it cook for probably like 20 minutes ish. The longer, kind of the better for flavoring, but I'm hungry, so we're gonna see what we made after. I'm gonna see y'all after I do that. Probably like 20 minutes after, and I like the color. It smells really good. I'm about to start cooking it. Look at the final result. We got the final result. This looks so freaking good. Honestly, it looks way more seasoned than the first time I had it. And make sure y'all follow. Oh, it's so hot. Hold on. So this could make more tacos, but I can't even give y'all. We can get these angles for ground, but I'm about to try it. Okay, so much better than the first time because of Chipotle chili. I'm dirty. That's it for today's video. Make sure you like this video, comment down below what you want me to try, what you want to see in my channel. Is completely up to y'all. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on another video. And make sure you check out all my social media platforms because we all got different content there. Bye y'all. Thank you for supporting me. Second video in a row. What is you talking about?